Alright, so today's exercise is to replace the pair of these because that one is bent. It came that way from the factory. Thank you very much, Trailmaster. And I found these, which I think should work. I measured that bolt, the stud, and I came up with 10 millimeters, as I recall. And this says M10 stud, which is what I think it is, with the 12 millimeter spacer washer. Okay. So I guess it should work no matter what. But looking at that bolt, it almost looks like it's bigger than this. I was thinking I was getting the same thing. So let's see here. I know you love staring at a dead screen. Alright, here we go. So this here, let's see. I don't know. It might be smaller. I hope not. Anyways, so I got these from Amazon. 50 or 60 bucks. And that, if you want to pause the screen, is the name of what they are. Adjustable Swaybar end links M10 stud with 12 millimeter spacer washer, adjustable Swaybar links. So I can make these match that in length and orientation. Because I've seen some, because yeah, see how these come? They're pointing in the same direction, but they don't have to stay that way. So, alright, well, we'll tune in after I do the first one here. I'm going to do this side so I don't burn my arm on the muffler over there. And I hope there isn't like a lot of tension on that spring bar. That could be a problem. Alright, I guess it's called a sway bar. I don't know. Wish me luck. Alright, so update. Came right out as easy as unscrewing 2 nuts, and it just came right out. So there's that sway bar is not under any kind of tension at all. And this fits in there, so I'm on my way. I'll make sure that this is the same length as the previous one and get that end turned around, slug up those nuts. I'll be on my way. So far so good. Alright, so there it is, 2 nuts tightened down, and tighten down the lock nuts in the middle. I nicked my wrench, did a number on the anodization a little bit, but I don't know how you can expect to do it any other way. I guess maybe masking tape, I don't know, but who cares? This is a buggy. It's gonna hit things. So, but yeah, looks good, easy in, nice upgrade compared to this bent thing. So this is next. Hopefully I won't burn myself this time. Alright, so I got the bent one off finally, but where the other one was just, oh, put a wrench on it, take it off. Yeah, this one is both ends were cross threaded. And that's an aneurysm inducing ball busting freaking situation there, man. So I had to take an open-ended wrench, 14 I believe, and hold the stud while this here just ground itself to death. But eventually the nut came off, and it was the same on the other end. Only slightly easier, or maybe I was just used to grinding so hard to get a nut off. But they did come off. It is out. So yay, hooray, time for this one. Alright, like poof, finished. So they look pretty snazzy in there, a little aftermarket-y looking, and it's not bent like this one here is. So it's It's got to be better. I'm not going to have to worry about this snapping off because it's stressed out or whatever. Pretty disappointed that both of the studs on that one was cross-threaded. Both. I can't believe it. Oh well. So anyways, there you go. Swaybar upgraded. And I guess it would be called a repair. Okay. Alright, until next time, I got no other updates that I can think of. Okay. Oh, one last thing. I will put a link in the description for these things. And I'll make it an affiliate link. You know, if you want them, click on them and buy them. And there you go. Good luck.